If you're a keen gardener, you will have heard of the no-dig gardening technique. It's fundamentally built around the belief that cultivating soil is unnecessary and that by layering organics and composts over the soil, you build up highly productive layers. There's a lot to it when you realise that the majority of plants' feeder roots sit in the top 400 mil or so of soil. The idea that the zone is rich in composted organics makes a lot of sense. So, this really relies on one of those principles of permaculture. It's called chop and drop. And it's all about just chopping up all this organic matter, getting it into the soil. In fact, the more carbon in the soil, well, the better the home is for beneficial soil microbes. It's all about creating a healthy soil biome so that the roots of your plants are as healthy as they can be. Gardening companies are constantly researching and developing naturally based products for people to use as a way of getting better results. Sometimes this is extremely beneficial in other ways, like potting mixes, taking organics out of the waste stream cycle, avoiding landfill. And Seasol, being created from giant kelp washed up on the beaches of King Island. This would have probably rotted away previously, but its enormous health benefits are now available to plants. A wonderful plant health tonic. When you talk about innovation, the guys at Seasol did something that's pretty remarkable. They came up with a liquid compost. So what you do with this is you mix it into a watering can, you top it up with water and you splash it over the top of the garden beds. There's no mixing all your composts up, having to put them into wheelbarrows, throw them over the top and all the different layers with this. It's quite literally a hose-on effect. And what it does, well, it conditions the soil, it enriches the soil for microbes and even earthworms, and most importantly, it gets your plants off to the best possible start. And all you've got to do is just literally spread it over the top, just like that. After a long hot summer, applying compost now is really smart, but applying it as a liquid, now that's even smarter.